Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today in this video we are going to see another logical function in Power BI. In a set of Power BI's DAX function series, we have discussed a lot of things in the previous video, which are 8 popular function types in Power BI, and then in that we have completed the first one, date and time functions, and in date and time functions we have uploaded 5 different videos, and then we have started with information functions, which is with lookup value and other more functions, and then we have started with logical functions now. So if you have missed previous videos, we have provided the playlist link in our description, and also we have started updating the syntax and the descriptive details in our blogger page. Both the links are provided in our description box. Please do visit that. And if you have not seen any video of previously, please do watch and continue this series. And if you're watching our channel for first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are needy. Let's start with today's section. In logical functions, we have started with if, which we have uploaded yesterday, and today in this video we are going to use the other condition, and in this video we are going to use the other one, which is how to combine both if and conditions. Let's start with the function. So you can see the data type over here in the output sheet. You can see if function which you have created yesterday, and to know the values you can see here. If function, I have given the condition which is in logically, if my region is equal to east, give me the output as sunrise or else no, right? So now today what we are going to do is we are creating another function. We are creating a new column, and I'm going to create a new function of and, which is equal to and logical 1 and logical 2. We need to give logical 1 and 2. Here you can see it check all the arguments are true and returns true if all the arguments are true, which means ideally what are the logicals which you are providing, it check both the logics and then it should match by, which is both the values are true, then it will give you the result as true or else it will be the false. Okay, so now what I'm going to give the first logic is I'm going to check in our region, is it east or not. Okay, so I'm just giving the type region is equal to, okay, region is not equal to central, and the second thing is again region should not be equal to lesser than and greater than symbol in combined is known as combination of these two is known as not equal to, and should not be the best one. Close the bracket and hit enter. You can see you can get the false wherever it is no, because in the if condition if it is no, then it's a false. Like central is false. As our condition, it should not be equal to central and west, it should be equal to east. That's how it will be working. So we are getting the output as true. Okay, so now the part 2 of this video, which is we are going to combine both if and conditions. How we are going to do that? Okay, click on new column. If and is equal to if, and click the uncondition over here. Now I am going to give the same logical functions, which is region should not be equal to central and region should not be equal to west. So if it matches result, if it is true, then what I am going to give is give it as sunrise occurs here, or else no, hit enter. You can see wherever we have the east. Okay, I'm filtering the east. You can see for all the east you can have the value as sunrise occurs here. clearing the filters, and you can see here what we have done, which is I have used the if condition, but instead of giving the logical, in that logical I have used the and condition, which means I have incorporated, embedded both if condition and unlogical functions. That's how it is working. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt in this video, please post your queries in the comment box. We will try to answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you for watching Gokul Tech. See you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Jai Hind.